What's up, drivers? It's Jim here from Campbell Trucking, and I have my faithful sidekick Bernie along for the ride. I hope you're sitting down with a full cup of coffee and an open mind, because we're going to take you on a wild ride with us into the future with a look-see on what truck stops of the future might look like. Imagine rolling into a truck stop where diesel pumps are a relic of a bygone era and have been replaced with high-speed electric charging stations, where AI-powered trucks are parked neatly without drivers, and a smiling robot waitress takes your order with a mechanical southern drawl. Sound crazy? Give it 10 to 15 years, and this could be the new normal. In this video, we will take a wild but very probable ride into what truck stops might start to look like by 2030, and even 2040 and beyond. With autonomous rigs, electric tractor trailers, facial recognition check-ins, drone surveillance, and even automated showers that ask for a DNA confirmation, the days of greasy burgers and paper fuel receipts might be long gone, and a thing of the past that we all reminisce about from time to time.
That's right, Jim. We are not talking about next week, not next year. We're talking 2030 and even 2040 and beyond. Imagine a future where the iconic American truck stop undergoes a radical transformation. Gone are the rumbling diesel engines and the familiar sight of human drivers resting in their cabs, doing paperwork across the steering wheel, or gabbing on the CB. Instead, driverless robot trucks autonomously pull into designated bays, silently connecting to high-speed electric charging stations that have replaced traditional diesel pumps. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's the imminent reality reshaping the trucking industry and the very infrastructure that supports it.
I can see it now. Yogi Bear might be smarter than your average bear, but truck stops of the future will have showers smarter than your average dispatcher. However, when you truly stop and think about it, the evolution of what truck stops of the future might look like, it goes beyond simply adding electric charging stations. Industry leaders are investing in infrastructure designed to support a new era of trucking logistics, with truck stop companies like Pilot and Flying J partnering with autonomous technology companies like Kodiak Robotics and Aurora to accommodate self-driving trucks in the future. These futuristic truck stops might also feature robotic staff attending to the needs of travelers, offering services that enhance efficiency and redefine the roadside experience. The integration of these technologies promises a more sustainable, efficient, and potentially safer future for the trucking industry and the communities it serves.
Let's hit the imaginary road and pull into the neon-glowing, drone-patrolled, AI-powered truck stop of the future. I can see it now. These future truck stops, more aptly renamed and called logistics and traveler hubs, might evolve into gleaming complexes resembling miniature futuristic cities. Imagine automated parking robots smoothly guiding autonomous trucks to their designated charging stations, where robotic arms efficiently connect them to high-speed electric chargers.
All right, picture this. You pull into a truck stop in 2030. The sign don't say TA or Pilot. Nah, it's Tesla Logistics Oasis, powered by the sun and your digital soul. Meanwhile, human drivers or even passengers traveling in the autonomous vehicles could step into a restaurant or an eatery fully staffed by a blend of human and robot service personnel.
No pumps, just wireless laser chargers zapping your truck with electricity like a sci-fi cattle prod. Your fully electric rig tops off in 5 minutes, and behind you in line is a robotic truck honking its horn for you to hurry up.
And right next to the charger, an AI-powered washout and tune-up bays with smaller robots that check your fluid levels, tire pressure, and washes your truck for you.
Your trailer comes out smelling like lavender with AI approval. Yeah, and afterwards you head inside to the restaurant. The robot waitresses would not only deliver orders with precision, but also offer interactive entertainment options and personalized recommendations, which enhances the overall experience.
Oh, and don't bother looking for the driver's lounge, because half the rigs are driverless and hanging out in mental health mode as they receive software updates.
That's right. Picture 20 self-driving robot trucks sitting in a circle jerk out back, whispering sweet diagnostics tidbits to each other and doing autonomous yoga. These futuristic hubs could also become key automated logistics networks that warehouse freight and cross-dock loads. Picture autonomous forklifts and loading docks orchestrated by AI-powered systems, seamlessly transferring freight between electric trucks and storage facilities.
This level of automation, combined with real-time data on traffic, weather, and shipment demands, would allow for unprecedented optimization of routes and delivery schedules, ensuring that freight moves swiftly and efficiently across the country.
These advanced truck stops of the future will embody a leap forward in the optimization of the entire freight supply chain, fostering a more connected, sustainable, and productive future for the transportation industry. That is to say, as long as you're able to find a parking spot without tripping over an emotional support drone.
Yeah, you got that right, Bernie. I bet truck stop restaurants will be renamed Nourishment Pods. And when you walk in, a hologram named CherylBot greets you without any eye contact, but has infinite processing power.
Oh yeah, I can see it now. CherylBot floats on over and says, "Welcome, carbon-based operator. Would you like your bacon 3D printed or grown in the hydro lab?"
You say, "Sunny side up," and she hits a button. Next thing you know, a printer spits out an edible egg with a QR code on it. Remember that Hall & Oates song from the 80s entitled, "I Can't Go For That"? Well, that's me. I just want a real breakfast with real eggs, sausage, and toast. Gotta have that lovely taste of grease. Is that too much to ask for?
You remember when you had to ask for a shower key and they handed you a grimy plastic tag with the number 10 written on it with a Sharpie marker?
Picture this, just like on Star Trek, the bathroom recognizes you. The door slides open and unlocks with a retinal scan. As you sit on the toilet, the damn thing gives you life advice.
Yeah! And the showers? They got voice control, Spotify integration, steam therapy, and a hologram that tells you how awesome you are for still driving in this economy.
Now let's fast forward a little farther into the future, where things get really crazy.
I heard that, Jim. Imagine this. You don't park your truck. Your onboard AI unit sends the truck to park itself while you head inside and get body scanned for fatigue, hydration, and political opinions.
How about trucker lounges at future truck stops? I bet they got tranquility pods where AI therapists whisper motivation in surround sound while a robot massages your lower lumbar with a light pulse cannon, kind of like the one you've seen Dr. McCoy, better known as Bones, use on Star Trek.
I can see that. Picture this. The whole truck stop is inside a giant dome, climate-controlled, with flying delivery drones that drop snacks directly to you while you're in the lounge watching a movie.
How about this? Those drivers out there that like to dilly-dally with lot lizards, they're gone, replaced by digital flirt bots that beam flirtatious messages into your dash cam. Opt out at your own risk.
Okay, here's one for you. Since electric trucks of the future don't use diesel fuel anymore, the replacement fuel is called quantum juice, and it's stored in nanocells the size of a Tic Tac.
And get this, in the future, there are rumors of alien rigs hauling interstellar freight through Earth hubs. They only stop to stretch their tentacles and scan for corn dogs.
That'll be the day I retire. If I gotta share the fuel island with a seven-eyed space squid, I'm done. You know, no matter what happens in the future, there'll always be a need for hot coffee, clean restrooms, and a decent parking spot that ain't 7 miles from the fuel island.
And maybe, just maybe, some old-timer, probably me or you, will be sitting in the corner, telling a new driver about the good old days of paper logs and 9-speed transmissions. All right, folks, that's it for today's time travel trip. If you laughed, learned something, or just like picturing robot waitresses yelling 10-4, sweetheart, smash that like button.
And please remember to also smash that subscribe button along with that notification bell. It helps us grow this channel and enables us to get the word out to many other drivers. If you don't, we'll have CherylBot send a drone to remind you. Just kidding.
We'll see y'all next time. Until then, keep that left door closed, the shiny side up, and see you on the rebound.